Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. Hi friends, welcome to card design number 8, where we're going to feature the stamp set Brightest Glow. You will find this stamp set in your annual catalog. That's a crumb cake card base. This piece of basic white I embossed with the Snowflake 3D embossing folder. And yes, the one horse open sleigh is our pattern paper. I used crumb cake ink to stamp on that sentiment die cut, which was actually from the Timeless Arrangements dies. And I gotta say, you guys, this lovely paper, the One Horse Open Sleigh paper, probably my most favorite paper of the holiday catalog. And just wait until you see what's coming up for the online exclusives. There's one called Meandering Meadows, and wow. That's all I'm going to say. You guys are going to love it. So I'm cutting off the excess here. You can see I wanted more of the paper and less of the embossed folder. And then you can see that little shimmery gold piece. I thought that was a current product. It's not. And I had enough with my to share with the attendees. However, it is a retired product. So I made a mistake there. I don't even know what catalog it came from, but it's lovely. So I just said everybody enjoy it. And you can't buy it. All right, I put dimensionals on that sentiment piece, trying to find the location for it. And that's that. So, of course, the links are in the box description below. And I will see you again for another one on Wednesday. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye for now.